Here's how to get free 14-day Xbox Game Pass through Discord. Now from your Discord, go ahead and click on the quest options. And then after clicking on the quest options, you'll be able to see there the claim 14-day trial of Xbox Game Pass. Now, for you to be able to get this, what you need to do is to click on the start video quest. And then afterwards, what you need to do is to watch the video for you to be able to get a free 14-day Xbox Game Pass. Now, what you need to do is to finish the game so that you will be able to have the Game Pass. After finishing the game, go to the Xbox.com Game Pass and click on the Join Game Pass options. And then afterwards, go back to the Discord. And what you need to do is to copy the reward code that you get at the end of the video. What you need to do is to copy and click on the copy, and you'll be able to get the free pass.